Hi, this is Keith from BBC Learning English. Today, I'm going to tell you 3 different ways of using the phrasal verb take off. First, we use take off to describe removing clothing. Whew, it's really hot here, so I'm going to take off my jumper. You can also separate take and off and say, take my jumper off. Second, we use take off to describe something becoming successful. I'm going to be rich. My business has taken off. Third, we use take off to describe not going to work. I'm going to take a day off work tomorrow. So we can say take off my jumper or take my jumper off. My business has taken off. And lastly, take a day off.